seen affaire tey dinañ nekk fii ba suba soo bii mooy first tega bi beneen bi dina waaye seen sabar yi ngeen teg leen si boor pour ñu mën a am space fii please teg leen sabar waaye doo leen mën a toog place bi bàyyi leen sabar ngeen bokk ak mbokk yi ñun ñoo moom lii yéen tamit da ngeen nekk si mbooloo ngeen nekk si mbooloo mi doo leen mën a toog fii teg leen sabar si boor ngeen bokk si mbooloo ali momo atol membe ke kanawol membe lorin dem nawla jana Usenu ko na bukali je ngamira mo chamenin tallulu be oton ko ma fangal please take this other way mon membe lorin ten dukaral be na lo ni wolo bala jamma fangal wala be na talo ni nyam ngal dani anna lafta lo la anna lo ni ma fangal baral tane tanen jawo ma botale membe be sirin jara ngal dani atol membe sirin ma ka
Kale na jama fona. Kale na jama fona, please.
Ngadi ama tolle ko sa tol membe siringe.
Please.
Al wuri ke ma fona le na si jama fona. Nda ke no la two club, we are in one club today.
Bay prunga one forum so rek ya.
Mo bi tin be la do ngane kilo wala be ngane ke UDP ali bonang go side la nim memma ko den defa mo na je na do bondi.
Please. Hey, I'll move to Mavana, please. One forum so please.
Ani ke ko UDP la ko kama o kama me siga ndeo kano bay ni mbenga sawni kala dole sale man crowd sabal
barka baga piaro ina mu keba sabaldi
do kare ma dani atol me do da ma fo ala sabba ala sawni kala ma fan do ma dani atol le na champion team be ma na ta atol le la ando atol le mo team na ta ma la men atol le UDP atol le president especially atol for Indian
John Moro nabana
sai tengalo na moja mara so ja men yalo ko na jesu mabale albeda ta iri masebola menna ana ke ba oba ifana be fekan
ina samina fono mo le bi nyimbe ngo
ko kontano kale ngel filan ndare bala mu ko hango kala do ngako mele mana fadi nanti bande da fadi ko mo wolde adama baro 2021 ba wuta no you were taraje par ba wuta ko nyambo na fadi na da fa na do
yes okay ali o mole wala mu John Maronti na security ma da jada mu keep security ni yam ada mu fokan wala ma ada be 3 years old do apa be baro mu dala ko nyambo lo me ke rosite wala kafiri
English. So Gambia and England, we have a lot of things in common. Science,
master
the men can honorable Bijan, science, Kuodila, Alajila, because we're in our program list also. Brunsaju dan Bitanyamen, Kampatijam, Namem Fali Drola, Bin Better Rajam, the first Manda, 5 o'clock, Nimben left, not left at Densico. But we have this space until 5 o'clock in the morning. And the first train comes at 5 o'clock. So more Ghana and the Ngafadi and the Co. So many mass of 4 o'clock. Momo Kibiko Norris Otalo, Mokana Koto Tabia. UDP will take everything.
because
Momo
sama ko mo kana kondong
Hani Mantablo, Kibiko, Walin Soma.
yes patino ko na sara ko na sama ko na ke el bulo ko se a los pies se bulo la hey Hani Labi afo el plan como ya puso mani na tema master la okay sorry ba mvale amval Lansongo molbe giwe kan ina mamadi jango kay ala gunda mamadi nak ngam lansongo kedi kentan kulari nyomi lameng dambe ko be giwe la
kabo handre bulola lahi wa nyoy akasura na nyoje wa molbe ko be ala ala karo de
amin allah rabbi
dano bena ya ko be diam labi si kumbo no la bara man jar ngaw
kana kumbo wallahi
kulel bar ala ma ala albejo amin la baraka ngati
baraka asi
kana patiyo se benkuya ko ala sirfasa ngani yoni hamdulu menki ko ala sa o kamala be Mr. Keba Kinte namen la chairmanu anaka abana ko Sweden holiday anaka ka fuwa mbatera kumandira ko mundata kala nyame ayeso duala ay duake moli anna programme yele Mr. Kinte bismillah
keep security John John Maro yo ka tuluma kilo mafuke mo ouais afanyi mola bol silo kama mambo Michael mambedi anak Michael apa sudah Michael lah no الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين Speak up. Pak Anfal. Pak speak up, Pak sudah speak lama. Ini mau dapat di bulan boy. Kau lucu. Iya kau ini. Mari membalu. Kif security, kenapa? Apa? Amin. Amin, Omuda. My phone. والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Yo budum badi ngolu mbale Helsinki labbi meeting with the party leader Honorable Lawyer Ousainou Darboe, Finland UDP chapter in collaboration with Sweden and Norway. Colleague program command Helsinki Saga gonna be bringing the party leader and the Secretary General of the United Democratic Party Honorable Lawyer Ousainou Darboe and a delegation of Molu Minel Besilo Kang Nimbe Wokono Ibrahima Diwa Afran Besilo Kang. Yo ito labe na high table regena. Nimbe jam Kang. Bodong sudah aja domane.
Desa ke ala ni wato sita puka diano kanyo kachandu nsen lamoy nyola bayri dunia bele be moyka be damen lorin jam tenti dunia bele nya ben kan woton sen lamoy nyola andu momo ni be memmen fola yetaw kantu ayke kafo e nafat bayri tahani ma mol bendi nan jande meyem bendi jam wala mu koleya membe Gambia kono pour ka bon mota koleya le kono seyta koleya kono woto ni be fem fola jam ay ke fenti membe banko na fala alama ala en sobi na fala ala se UDP kafo ala sa so barakala kila horomo alhamdulillah ala baraka ba
baraka ala so bulola
fokon ko le balla bam
ala bulo yalla du
ko le balla bam
hani bari mun kol mon do warnak bari mun kol mon do warnak
ladies and gentlemen after the prayers now we will start the actual program. We all know this program is hosted by Finland, but it is not a strict chapter. Sweden and Norway are with us.
Yes.
Their chairmen are here and members of their executive and party supporters as well. They took the trouble to travel all the way from Sweden and Norway to come and join us here. Now our chairman will come and give a speech. We'll give them 10 minutes because I know my own chairman, Buba Toure, if we don't give him time, he can speak here until in the morning. Therefore, each chairman will have 10 minutes. We'll call the chairman of Finland chapter as the host to give the opening remark. Therefore, round of applause for Chairman Bob Toure.
Yes, applaud, please. That's the chairman. UDP Finland chapter. Please, one for all.
Good evening, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, my colleagues, chairman from Sweden, Mr. Seri, chairman, and the entourage, Mr. Mauro M. Keda of the Norwegian chapter, and the entourage, Alhaji Keba Kinte, the UDP Parliament chairman.
Speak through the mic.
And Dr. Amadou Skatret Jani, the author of one of the most illustrious books, The Struggle. Thank you very much, Mr. Jani.
Applaud, please.
Praise in our day.
Applaud,
I am honored. I'm very proud today to be a host to such an eminent son of our country, His Excellency, the former Vice President of the Republic of the Gambia, a lawyer by profession, Honorable A.N.M. Ousainou Darboe.
Mandela.
Mr. Darboe, on behalf of the United Democratic Party's Finland chapter, I, on my own behalf, as chairperson, I have the profound honor to welcome you, and your personal aide, Mr. Ibrahim Adiba, to our beautiful country, the latest nation in his ongoing European tour, that is Suomi, Finland, the land of thousands of lakes. Mr. Dabo is a distinguished lawyer and Secretary General of Gambia's largest political party. In a similar vein, UDP Finland welcomes our distinguished from sister European chapters of UDP. That's right. Together, the Nordic Europe chapters proudly welcome lawyer Ushenu to magnificent Helsinki. Woo! It is not an exaggeration to contend that this visit of Mr. Dabo is of historic importance for our country here in Finland and also the Nordic. You cover this side, I go to the other side. In that regard, this visit is significant for the United Democratic Party, the Gambia and Finland. It is a significant moment for Gambians, diaspora to come together in Helsinki to participate in the exchange of ideas necessary in formulating the way forward for our country. It is my firm belief that UDP stands for social, political practice which enhance democracy and sustainable economic development. In this regard, it may be that its journey to greater heights may include operationalizing the socio-political infrastructure recommended by student wings of the party in order to reduce communication lapses between the grassroots and executive leadership. In other words, enhance the flow of information with the party, get messages across to engage members effectively. A diaspora chapter, adopting, financing a project, a school directly in the Gambia. The issue of language in kindergarten. This United Democratic Party event follows the footsteps of many important historical events here in Helsinki. That's true. Among them, the 1975 Security Conference, the Helsinki Declaration was the final act of conference on security cooperation in Europe. 35 countries, including the United States of America, Canada, and all European countries, except Albania and Andorra, signed a declaration in an attempt to improve relations between the communists and the West. Some 44 years later, the United Democratic Party Finland chapter welcomes party members from across the world to find a solution to Gambia's political quagmire. We are here today to find better ways to uplift the standard of living of our people and to improve democracy. We all know we live in a country of democracy. That's true. We want to be like Finland. We want to be like Sweden. We want to be like Norway. We want to get rid of corruption in our country in all ways by installing a vibrant and charismatic and straightforward leader like Ushenu A.N.M. Dabo. Ladies and gentlemen, it is not controversial to state that the United Democratic Party is the only political party that can move the Gambia from 25 years of stagnation
Please.
The party can take us to the promised land of the rule of law and a public space free from corruption and nepotism. Mr. Secretary General Dabo, fellow members of the United Democratic Party, distinguished Dr. Amaris Kader Jane,
Man over there.
Ibrahim Tiba, we are here to remind each other about the plight of people denied the opportunity to enjoy the fruit of their labors. We are here to tell the dispossessed and marginalized that United Democratic Party hears their cries for fairness in public life, development, and pride and democracy. Distinguished guests, to be successful, you must have principles to guide relations between citizens. Respect for each other's right.
That's true.
Facilitate a platform for meaningful dialogue.
Say it all.
Nor the parties depend on each other, each one of us to execute its objectives.
That's true.
Readiness to settle dispute positively, practical engagement, and respect for others' thoughts. They are all projects towards operations and self-determination. Honorable Dabo, in my own capacity as the chair of United Democratic Party Finland chapter, I have invited all political parties existing in the Gambia, from APRC, GDC, GMC, GPDP, and all other parties, including PPP, to these very events.
PDOS!
Honorable Dabo, I have also took another step by inviting all the media organizations, from Chef Fatu to Mimbe Caring, Fatu Network, UDP Online. Bantuba is here, represented by our own brother, Wandifa Sane, who is the brother of our night, and UDP Media TV. It doesn't stop there. We also invited Gambia Press Union to this very occasion.
That's true.
The second aspect is gaining control of the United Democratic Party logo to facilitate business ideas on a large scale. If we are able to manage and protect the UDP logo internationally, then managing small Gambia will be a dance on roses. Thirdly, the party must commit to improving the overall education system,
That's true.
healthcare, and infrastructure. It is also vital to improve and expand cultural awareness. As we deliberate here today, we should remind ourselves that the UDP is the largest party in the Gambia. The party that controls the National Assembly. And 4 out of the 5 councils, it is not far-fetched to say that UDP is the government in waiting guests from across Europe. In these circumstances, we have the special responsibility to always adhere to the highest possible standard in our public interactions. We must always strive to be ahead of our political adversaries. My fellow UDP chapter Finland, thank you so much for all your efforts.
One forum, please.
I cannot individually call on any name for the sacrifice that you've took since inception and the formation of our chapter, which was less than a year, to put such a very important gallery. Thank you so much, Unity Finland chapter.
Applaud, please.
On behalf of our Finnish chapter, I once again welcome the Secretary General and Party Leader of United Democratic Party to Helsinki. I welcome our guests from across Europe, and I have the utmost pleasure to declare this meeting open. I thank you very much for your kind attention. Thank you.
The chairman of the UDP Finland chapter. Labarka, Honorable Bubature. Jamo kumara bak. Jamo.
Thank you very much, our able chairman, Bubature. There is nothing we could add onto a brilliant speech.
That's true.
The only thing we could do is to call the next speaker. I know people have been waiting here for hours.
Please,
and
guys, be seated, please. Be seated,
Mr.
please.
Seni Jammeh, the chairman, Sweden chapter. Mr.
John,
Jammeh, welcome.
Guys, be seated, please. But for me, boy. Many people are for you, but please not Jamola, Kumala. I cannot get program of those in Nakino. This new program is one of the best.
Finland chapter be kontona kabula kiaman ba buda pure tola be na badi on mum fana bota Norway be kontona abo maudo ak mas maudo la tolo keta tola be konton di oftan lan na badi wal lan ni mun bota nyola Sweden kanana ka kumasin na Secretary la Ibrahima Kamara Mamadi na Treasurer Alhaji Toure na Piaro
Abulo, please. Kongkol boy, kongkol penyul la boy.
Imani na musigata bala ya
Kongkol bene, bukan bulo ko sini.
Kadi Sane Tuti Toure ala baraka bake mali konton na liye kata kunche asiata
John Maronde is the rightful owner of the UDP supporters group.
Jatabala
I feel like the CEO.
Alaji Keba Kinte Lamena UDP Kiaman
Top security. Alam na keep security dyan nak.
So, kontondrobe ta Ibrahima di bakang wiyalon ko mobe alon
Bulo!
Please,
Bulo! Come on.
Alabaro abe kolala famo pour mo yasi kambao kibarol ka fole mol kamoy ka jerol kele ay mun ke alhamdulillah amira mo be alon amanjar fanga mura kan ka be sen kam nimbota woto Gambia la jataba uyalon ko aya nila Gambia e mun keta Ahmad Skatrab Diané
Doctor
denna ko ndro fandala ala bara kendol mo ngayaki ari ko ndro sembo adeta alfa bakang
ba't mong kadoon na pangsunya ba't mong alam na pangsunya no
dunia ko na man Gambia dunia be dalon ni ko
Para mana power dota correct. Na power banda.
ay baro ko Gambia di mo we yalo
one for nazonga mama alnga lamo te ma fa ngaka kilinde one for
albes wula ngulo ko sai wala mu alhaji selin mu pinda
ko ngate ma fa na gi
Istadabo me kontonna baami me kontonna UDP Sweden tola ani me kontonna fanan Gambia dimol be tola alamam ay sima ya nyaa ila bata alamam alakana ke Gambia dimol kersa ila hakilo mu alaya dina alamam alaya tu bala kila ado kubale ke yiwati punto kono do ko mi yalon ko asemo wa kabake nde buba ture baja ila na baro la ko alata kola ka Sweden ni nowe ni Finland ke kilomati ay kata kubale ke ni yo wa ke bi Sweden ni Finland ni nowe kata kilomati Catholic people from and function chapters of the Yalonko, Kakumandi, UDP, Scandinavia, Nordic chapter.
Alpulo! Please!
When we tell you them, back in Fakili Yamu, Malon Cambia, Guluda Kono, Jebata Kono, Foreign Nation King the Bank. Di wo tesi to ne ko no wakata ndino na te kilomati na do ko keno ko min nafta na ngam be bali wol be ko ton nan be jayina dela dia mo sembo be ta mun to wala min ndi ko mun be Sweden no way
ila mo walo fele ngeta la sore afela ila mo walo fele
na tesi ki baake Moli beka kumbo mumi.
Bacho mama.
Wala mnyimti ko.
Ndal la banda.
Moli nyanta ID card so. ID card ni woso to wotu moli de carte fayno. Donc moli de voting card sino de la pour carte fayno. Tonya bul ko so bete ata. Tanda ko so bete ata. To mol fana man kasiya. Bar wobe mumba kumbayan la wala mu carte fay. Kante ni wo fayda wala ka president mo bondino wala ka president mo sidi obe ya kela do boti abadi mo ni to Gambia fondo ba fayda ma wono folo ari ni ko Gambia dikita ko won ba fayda
iwan di
dara ko won ba fayda yanda kan an bodi ko kan ni ko pre kan te fayda o kama obe ya kela do boti abo bila kan yosas Momo anna be kala mo nan ludi ya ID card ni loy momo ya kuma fi rapport da ko e ma ko ro ke rapport da ko ka de sate momo ra sate momo rapport da na fere ke na yo ma ko woni ID card so woni ka pe fa mo ka te da mane sim to singino Karte da mala finance president ko indi.
December baro bitale.
Ko kamala be mo be dani la wala. Anyo ma ko yo. Ani fula jam. Politiko bu ka keno ko do ko. Mun be nyola ko do be bulle ade bolbu.
Polite bulo banko na
Yo ka ko do so jaminna wala famol le kan na ko do bon. Nam alfanu be soko na dina badi won anna be jarle e ila do mandi won muy keso wala ka pati tana yo to mun be jam fanam si mun ke no wolem e pati la sola kol na long ni la sola kol long to mo le ma ko no katia na kana na dialogue system new Gambian call tema UDP Gambia Liga kaja, liga poluke, kutumado kodol si sone am loko o kamala be mo de konton ma fala mo ye ko UDP Sweden tola be secretary ba welcome la Finland ba fala ko tumodo ñu kunkuda bolet ni ale so sima ya tumodo wo event wala be war na katan bi ñu dola ni wo commencement direct na kafunya kan na tesito kan UDP Sweden Finland and Norway ndikata ko tumodo ñu ale ma be jarna me dole kala mun betam belani wo kamala mbafala libe ko ala baraka baake UDP Finland musul ala baraka anake
alimbala nak meso no mobile do
UDP Norway musul
bacho kana banda
anake ala baraka ba
but ko len na power bank suñu so
na kontane ku bastu ni watin kono kabon na las UDP meeting mo ngake Sweden meeting o kola ning sexually kachado kala tibito wona tam nafa ba sambanto UDP Sweden molye woni woni bitema na mol Palestine nga mom soto mo kutol to mun dun tankan ni nga konta mom wandi lol sir just period of 1 month yo adu wol jamabe je ni be ni sembo le kana because if in ka contribution o mun ke munni dam fang sanji kilin ko man to dolbe je ya be jole fo doli jo ala mabe fa ma jo na resula fere ni ta ta kala muta aba be siri ja aka boy kamu wo kana to le kontane ku balti adu jigata mo jaman atinna fam kalo mun kamito ka je na je ko sai fam wa doyata fo ñu kunun ko le mbo local do bokula mo yalo nyanta mito kala on the 26 October local mo yalo ko wole won taw a dobul ko si nyaafu na wole bu adu jigata ko mba fandi no la adu kamala nde mo benja ina ne mo be kontonna nde nga kata ngante city yimu ihadolet ado mu yalo ko to fama ma dan dulalo so a mas le bari malo be na dan to mo be la do ko le ndi yete ci ka mo bila mo won ni Gambia di wala yakata mu mantra UDP yakata na UDP mo man ka UDP di kala ka mo bila ala kata ali tan UDP ko UDP le patie di mu be Gambia bonna akeda nakke baya masi bari nga Gambia president folo jere na fulan jamojo na saban jamojo oto wokamala na lon ko bi metembo mun to musin to tambi mino na jeko Sweden o ka ko Norway o del Finland Denmark o Europe anni Messi UDP le Finland no bunda oto wokamala ni an president le mo be ko donna le mo be jayila ala baraka Finland ala baraka Norway ala baraka Sweden ala baraka fanan Europe mu mebe momo yala hajo bule ma beta jambi bande tenduna mali jayila assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh
ro mu Sweden na kiyamano de
yo Mr. Jenna baraka bake ay kumo bande maro ni sima be keri be ala dalila ata tambi la sangi fulala be sima be president ani
al bulo
kamala stajabe na do ko so bambani do wala ni ko be do men na jam di muri hasan bari be nodi scandale be chapter launch la jaar ida Sweden or Norway wala be tamira ni na te hala na ko kamala Mr. DJ there's little bit of breakdown na lon ko no na do tan ma bi ko ko be daba kundankol bi jam konko be jamono kundankol bi jam konko be aussi lo web do man dimtano mo le do mo do man ci di jesu du ci ko ko wala ci na mo na ba ba tente rali ni dum ko wesi non ko do ke la mo buru jam ala baraka ko let's go
sanyi tamben na digele kana ple tanda jolo fanan be jang fanan be programme sot na ngara do mandi par sande nga dige pla gi janno ko mo la gi jado mandi la soga aja ngara ngara luote mo te na mama la Ale Gonzague estemos langsung ko ke kentan kular ngamela me dingire mba fala fere Berbungkol ya na pa bang sunan. Berbungkol. Bola baru ha? Ndo wala. Ay mama. Ha? Bo. Yo bodo kondo waro sita. Ambe mo la nyar do mane. Ngam wala fu nam black do mane. Wala barka. Fanyado. Barangara na talo ta fa mga post daga fa bamuro na nyar do mane ning labe diamola bamuro na inshallah abarka mandela fele bra do muro la ya man ka balun ko ya lo man ka balun ko da do muro lo la man ka balun ko ya man ka balun ko da do muro balun ko la Gonzague guys dafa na ngala do moro la ñi ngay fa ñaado dombe muro nang na de la inshallah badum ko la be nga nanga da ko di